Hey guys, just wanted to showcase SWG TestFlow. And this is a comprehensive testing program. It doesn't replace the project management system, and later on I'll show you how I can export all these, but it kind of augments it. So right now there's no testing data, so I'm going to jump in here. Let me get here real quick. I'm going to add some testing data. And this is not done by any means. I think it's close. I have tested it. I'm going to run, and where I'm getting, let me give you the premise on this whole thing, because I'm working in the AI ecosystem. It gives me pretty good testing data. You still need to go through, check spacing, check functionality, um, areas that make sense. Could you enhance user experience? Certainly. But let me go through this. So now we have data in here. Okay. So we have the projects in, and these are actual projects, um, but I'm going to show you how, but it's just test data. So I'm going to re-upload this one right here. So I'm going to delete it. Okay, let's upload this one, and then we'll call it just first tests. I'm going to choose a file. I don't know if it's okay. I'm going to have to navigate there. Where'd you go? Projects. Okay, so I'm uploading a CSV right now. And this is the project we're talking about, SWG TestFlow. And it maps. And this original CSV is coming from AI, because I'm so invested in, there's other ways to get this information. Even if you didn't build it out in AI, if you had a good scope, it would give you that CSV that you could upload to this system. Okay, so let's import these 85 rows. And I'm done. And I question if I need to say done, and maybe it goes right back to the user experience. I think that's an unnecessary step. I'm probably going to look into that in a later version. But let's go back. There's no, okay, there are sessions added as test data. And this is the first session. So this is treated as a session. So if you had a multiple people QAing this thing, each one would be a concatenated session within the projects. So let me keep going. And I question this one. So I'm all about user flow and user experience. Project name, I don't like something you could type in and misspell. So maybe it would be a drop down, and then at the bottom of that drop down would be new project. So that probably makes more sense. That way you wouldn't have, like, let's see, I'm demonstrating this for you. Global Nurse Gateway. Something misspelled that's going to cause problems down the road, because it's going to create a second project. Now I have built in the logic. I noticed originally it would allow two projects named similar or named the same, and that's not going to work, because then you have inconsistent data. Here's the issues across all projects. You could sort it out. Let's say you could sort it out by sessions. And then I might even look at, as you go through here, I think you can sort it by session, but why can't you sort it by projects? So I'd have to ask myself that question. And this is pre-beta. So I've already pointed out a few things that I would fix, which is slide this slightly over, have it at its full width, and then probably put projects over here. So the reviewer, session, output type. So this is where it hasn't come to fruition yet, but I have it, and you'll see it in the settings. I have where I can export the data, export the JSON, export the different file formats. But I am eventually going to build this as an AI intelligent system, and I haven't done it yet. So all projects, then all sessions, and then I can get kind of a detailed report. And see, you can see this is actually working. But some of this stuff doesn't work out the gate. You really need to test it. And then here's some of the settings magic. I do account for both OpenAI and DeepSeek, and you can see it changes there. And I have had success implementing both APIs. And let's see. I think that's pretty much it. And then let's see on the users. And then I have it where you can delete a user, but that user is not deleting, is deleted out of the WordPress system, which is this is the ecosystem this is in right now. So, okay, thank you.